Running out of ammo mid-fight can lose your squad the game. But as a good teammate, you should always know how to quickly share ammo in Apex Legends. This tip matters because ammo is just as important as shields and meds. If your teammate runs dry, you're basically fighting a man down. Here's how to share ammo fast. First, open your inventory. Find the ammo type your teammate needs. Then you can right click it to drop the entire stack, or you can left click to drop parts of it. Always drop ammo near cover, not in the open. That way your teammate can pick it up safely. And if you got multiple ammo types, share the one you're not using, like dropping light when you're running heavy. This simple habit has saved more fights than I can count. Next time your teammate pings for ammo, don't hesitate. Share it and you'll both fight stronger in your next match.